Good afternoon, my dear students. Today we are going to start exercise 8.4. The first two sums, 1 and 2 of exercise 8.4 is very understandable. So, before proceeding, I must make you some points clear. First, let us have a look at the question. Question number 1, it is said sine A is there, sec A is there, tan A is there. These three trigonometric ratios should be converted in terms of cot A. I think you have read the question. So, sine A, sec A and tan A should be converted in terms of cot A. Now, to understand this, I have made a table here. Just myself has prepared this table, and here I have shown some rods. This red rods means reciprocal. Red rods means reciprocal. Blue rods representing the three basic identity or the three basic formulae. Now try to understand. First, sine. You see sine, red rod, that means sine is equal to 1 by cosec A, or you can have cosec A is equal to 1 by sine A. Similarly, second part, you can have cos A is equal to 1 by sec A, or sec A is equal to 1 by cos A. For the third one, you can have tan A is equal to 1 by cot A, or cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. So these are the first three assumptions from red colors. Now, what can we have from the blue rods? Let's proceed. In blue rods, first is sine and cos. That means sine A is equal to root over 1 minus cos square A, or you can have cos A is equal to root over 1 minus sine square A. Similarly, next one, cosec and cot. Cosec A is equal to root over 1 plus cot square A, or cot A is equal to root over cosec square A minus 1, or you can have sec A is equal to root over 1 plus tan square A, or tan A is equal to root over sec square A minus 1. Now, once again I am telling you, pay attention, just follow the rules. Just follow the, once you understand this part, the whole exercise 8.4 won't be difficult for you. Okay? Now, with the help of this conception, we can easily proceed question number 1 and question number 2. Let's proceed. Given sine A, this sine A should be expressed in terms of cot A. Check the table. Is there any direct road by which you can go from sine to cot? Obviously, there is no road. You will have to come from sine, you will have to come to cosec, and from cosec, you can move to cot. So we have got the road. From sine, we will have to come to cosec, and then we can proceed to cot. So I am writing here sine A is equal to, now what is the relation between sine and cosec? It is red color. Red color means reciprocal. So sine A is equal to 1 by cosec A. From cosec A, we need to move to cot. The relation between cosec and cot, its blue color means the three basic identities, and there is given cosec A is equal to root over 1 plus cot square A. We are just putting the value 1 by root over 1 plus cot square A. Sine A has been expressed in terms of cot A. Next comes sec A. Sec A should be converted to cot, but there is no direct route from sec to cot. We will have to go sec to tan and then from tan to cot. So what is the relation from sec to tan? It's blue color, that means identity. Sec A is equal to root over 1 plus tan square A. Where from? This. Sec A is equal to root over 1 plus tan square A. Now tan will be converted to cot. That means reciprocal. So root over 1 plus 1 by cot square A is equal to root over cot square A plus 1 by cot square A. You all know square root of cot square A, it will be cot A. And numerator will be root over cot square A plus 1. So we have expressed sec A in terms of cot A. Remaining tan A. Tan A should be converted into cot A. Now what is the relation between tan and cot? We see it's red color, that means reciprocal. Reciprocal. So tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. And that is our question number 1. Once again I am telling you, to understand this, you will have to follow the routes. Once you follow the routes, you can easily go to the specific point you need. Now comes question number 2. In due time, you just read out the question number 2. What is given? Question number 2. Can you tell me? Of course, you have read. I hope you have read the question. Now, in question number 2, it is given that although there are 6 trigonometric ratios are there, you will have to express sine in terms of sec, cos in terms of sec, tan in terms of sec, cosec in terms of sec, cot in terms of sec. That means 5 trigonometric ratios should be expressed in terms of sec. And let's see. Let us proceed. First, sine A. Sine A is equal to 1 by, sine A should be expressed as cos. So what is the easier way? Sine to cos, then cos to sec. So we shall write sine A is equal to root over 1 minus cos square A. Sine A is equal to root over 1 minus cos square A. Now cos can be expressed as root over 1 minus cos 1 by sec square A. Now take LCM. It will be sec square A minus 1 by sec square A. And you all know root over of sec square A is sec A and numerator is sec square A minus 1. That is, we have expressed sine A in terms of sec A. Next comes our cos A. Cos A we all know 1 by sec A. That means cos A has been expressed as sec A. Next comes tan A. If you follow the road, you see tan A and sec A are directly related. That means you can express it with the help of formula. And tan A is equal to root over sec square A minus 1. Where from we have got this? This. Tan A is equal to root over sec square A minus 1. So we have expressed sine, cos and tan in terms of sec. Remaining 2, cot A. We all know cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. Now what is the value of tan A? Tan A value is this. So 1 by tan A, we are getting 1 by root over sec square A minus 1. Similarly, we will have cosec A is equal to cosec A. Now cosec A we all know 1 by sin A. And the value of sin A we have already got. Now 1 by sin A means reciprocal, just reciprocal. So it will be sec A by root over sec square A minus 1. And that is the thing. Question number 1 and 2. Once again I am telling you, 8.4 is the vital exercise for you. 8.4 is the vital exercise for you. And here you will have to pay so much understanding. Your understanding level should be up to the mark. First point of consideration, this table. Once again I am telling you, this table. You just follow it. Once you follow this table, you will find easier and easier. I shall proceed later on. For today, this is our class. Have a good day. Be healthy. Be strong.